my license plate. Try to steal my shit.
Nobody want this joint, man. All right, so we got a 2021 Hyundai Sonata inline sport. What's the exhaust setup on
it? Straight pipe, catback, catless down pipe, and mid pipe.
All right, so he got a whole gang of shit. You know what I mean? And I got a 2019 Dodge Charger RT. It's I got a mid muffler delete and a resonator delete. I still got the cats on it. So you're just gonna see what the idle sound like on both. Sound good. Then we're gonna get the couple revs on him. Alright, so we gonna rev mine first. See how it sounds. You lost, B. Now he gonna give a couple revs on his and shit. All right, so y'all tell me. Which one y'all think got the louder exhaust on it? It's on clean too, man. I like this jump.